What's up guys, it's Clouder from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to shadow, how to program automatic scans from Avast Antivirus on your Windows computer into a simple, fast and effective method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. I have no idea how much it helps us. After this, please go to your computer dash, okay? Open the spinner right here. You can type the Windows tabs in order to open it. Next to your calendar and your watch, just like this, into the bottom right corner of your screen, there is a little arrow, okay? If you hover a mouse over it, you're gonna see a notice, show hidden icons. Click on it, and here we have the Avast Premium Security. Click on it. Now this computer is protected, but how to shadow, how to program automatic scans in order to don't have to run this manually, okay? So review the close button into the upper right corner of your screen. Next to have the menu, click on it. Once on menu, move to settings. Once on settings, review the left side of your screen. We have general, protection, privacy and performance. We're gonna go to protection. And we have the Smart Scan. Auto Continue Smart Scan. Up to you, okay? You need to mark this option. Then you're gonna change the frequency. You can do this weekly, monthly, daily. You can change the time, the hour of the day, post meridian and meridian, the time. We can run manually, daily, weekly or monthly. All is up to you. After doing your change, nothing much to do. You can close the tab and you are good to go. Your computer gonna be secure and the Avast gonna search for problems and fix it automatically once a month and change according to the options you select. Simple, easy and very, very effective. And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes. And I see you guys tomorrow. All the best!